If you're someone who wants to make real money online, you can be someone who is just starting out, planning to make some quick money online, or you can be someone who has been working for years online now, but still you've seen no results, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll give you a breakdown, how can you make real money. So this is really interesting, and I know you would never wanna miss this. So keep watching till the end.
Ibrar.
Hey guys, it's your boy the Ibrar on your screens, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make real money. So you can be someone who's working online, right? You have seen people working online making money, and you wonder how is this possible, right? You have tried but you failed, right? I understand this. I've been here, I've been in the same position, have got the same thoughts, like why I see other people succeeding and why is it not working for me, right? So in this video I'll just I won't stretch the video too long. I want to directly get to the point. I want to give you these straight insights behind what are you lacking, what you should be working on, rather what you should be focusing on, rather, instead of thinking that you're not making money online. If you're someone who's even starting out, then this is going to be a no-brainer for you, because in this video you'll get a ton of value, which if you implement, I'm very much sure that even in your starting out days you'll be able to gain great results, right? So this is not something that I'm telling you out of just googling out things and just from anywhere that I've just picked up, I'm copying something. No, this is something that I'm presenting out of my own experience and out of observation that I did on people who make money online, who are successful online, who have made money online, a lot of it. So basically a kind of an observation. Alright, so this is basically what I'm going to present out to you in this video, and I know if you follow this, all the tips that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share the 5 big things that you need to take care of in order to make real money. Alright, so starting out with the first one, it is enjoy or dedication. Whatever way you're following to make money online, it could be like you can find there are numerous channels, there are hundreds of ways that you can make money online. Whichever way you pick, whichever suits you the best, just remember that you should enjoy it. Okay, you should be dedicated towards it. It shouldn't be like it shouldn't be burden upon you. For example, if I plan YouTube is my source of income, all right, just for an example, it is not. So if for this reason, what do I need to do? My primary task is to record videos, and recording videos should not be a burden on me. It should be something that I should enjoy. I should record, which I do enjoy. I enjoy recording videos. I enjoy talking to you, even though I'm not able to see you directly. I'm just recording on my phone. So what I feel is that I'm able to talk to you. I'm enjoying the process. So this is what you need to do. Number one thing is enjoy. Whatever you're doing, you could be doing affiliate marketing, you could be doing funnels, you could be selling things online, e-commerce, dropshipping, whatever you're doing, enjoy it. Start enjoying it. Okay, so this brings us to the second point, which is abundance. All right, what is abundance? Now you should have heard this term everywhere. When you're starting out online, or when you're trying to make money online, or even whatever doing in general in your life, you should have the right mindset, right? So what is mindset? Frame your mindset in a way. All right, just keep in mind that there's abundance. Everyone around around you, they're lying. There's lack of nothing. There's abundance of money around you. Like, bro, if you literally think about it, that there's abundance around you. Like if you're going to make if you're hustling for just like $1,000 a month, then you can just believe that you have the $1,000 in a month, right? It is reserved for you. Allah, He has reserved 1,000 rupees for you, $1,000 for you already. It's reserved for you. Just pray to Him how do you get to it, to make the way for you. Just this abundance around you. Just start believing that there's $1,000 reserved for you, and you will achieve it. And just work upon how do you get it, this abundance of it. Why? And when you can just manifest things, why just stop at $1,000? Just like a very small thing that you're manifesting, you can manifest millions of dollars. I mean, like, why not? You can, right? Start manifesting money. Just believe that something is already reserved for you, and you'll get to it. How? That's God's plan. And just trust the process. Whatever you get the inside, you get whenever you get the gut feeling, just go take action. Go take action whenever you get the gut feeling, and start believing in the abundance. The moment when I in my life, when I started believing in abundance, that I will achieve this, there will be some way from where I'll start making this money, because this much amount of money that is already reserved for me, then God makes way for me, right? When I just start trusting him, that there's abundance, it is already reserved for me, he'll make a way for me. And that's how it works. So that's basically what is abundance. And you require this. I tell you, I've listened to thousands of successful people, and one thing in common they said is that they have manifested money. They believed in abundance, right? They had this mindset. So this is what I'm trying to pass it on to you, right? All right, guys. So I was like really sweating here because it's really hot here. Plus, I haven't turned on the fan, or else you'll get the disturbance, right? Even though I can filter it out, but it's better. Go the hard way. Why? Now, the third most important thing that you need to take care of is, don't think about money. Don't think about results. Results don't matter. The money that you earn doesn't matter. If you start getting bothered by these things, like what amount of money am I making? I've been working this hard. I haven't made any money out of it. I've got no results. Then you are just making your own way. You're paving your own way to failures, because you're gonna get stressed out of something which is not in your hands. The results are not in your hands. What you have in your hand is just to put the amount of work. If you just think this way, okay, all right. So if I'm not seeing a result this way, so maybe why not I turn it up? Maybe I make some changes. I will switch it up. If I was doing a thing in an A way, I'll just do it in a B way, and I'll just check if that works, right? So just don't think about money. Whatever you're doing, whenever you're starting out, if you start thinking about money and results in the very start, then you know that you would be failing at least 99% of the time. Okay, people who start out never think about results. What they care about is the value, the change that they can make. Just think about what change can you make. Just think about what value can you give out, how much value can you give out, and what more value can you give out. Having just this thought that instead of making money, like counting, instead of counting money, you count value. What amount of change have you contributed that's going to make a significant change, and you end up actually making more money. Because in terms of making money, what you think is all you care about is money, and this literally ruins everything. Because in that case, you would be rushing things, you would be taking irrational decisions, and in that case, you will just end up failing. This a common thing, right? So if you just care about money, you would be ending up losing. So do not think about money, do not think about results. Just keep doing your work. Okay, it may take n number of time, it may take any time for you. Success thing is very subjective. It's very subjective. Someone may succeed just working in 1 month or 3 months. For you, it might take a year. It's totally subjective, right? So everything is not born with the same. Everyone is not born with the same destiny. Everyone has to go with their own way, with their own paths. So therefore, you have your own success story written. Don't worry about it. You have your own success story written. Maybe for you, it's gonna come a year later, 2 years later. Just keep doing the work. Don't think about the results. All right. But also just don't get stuck, because in case you don't see something working out, definitely do have the courage to take, to turn things up and to shift your ways. That will be something that will be really wise. But in general case, when you're starting out, just not think about the results. All right, so the fourth thing that I'm going to share with you is the most important thing, guys. Like literally you can put an asterisk to it, because it's literally so important. And that is, if you can, invest. Right? So most people, they step back from investing. If you want to make money online and you just think about how can I make money for free, right? There's nothing called free. Nothing comes free. And that's like for real thing, bro. That's for real thing. You can never make anything out of free. There is going to be some kind of an investment. All right, you can make some little amount of investment, but obviously you need to put in the money. For example, even if right now, if I treat just YouTube just to explain things to you, I've invested money in setting up the gears for it, right? I've invested money somewhere or the other. If you're starting up money, you need to invest in some tools. Maybe you need to invest in getting yourself a laptop, if you don't have one. So you understand that there are some kind of investments required. And if you can, I'm not saying that investment is a must thing that you definitely require, but when you can, like for example, I've started making money. All right, I've started making money from YouTube. Then what I do is I reinvest a part of it into upgrading myself, upgrading the content, upgrading my gears, So this is what you need to do. Every smart people in the world, what they do is they invest because when they can, investment is done with the sole purpose of earning a return. So if you want to make a return, you definitely have to invest. And just know the investment amount can be small, it can be big, but investment is definitely required. And this is the wise advice that I'm giving you. If you're hearing me, and I do not expect a lot of views here because that's obvious thing, but even then, if you're hearing me out, then definitely please do take this in consideration when you can. If you can, then definitely invest into whatever you're doing. Finally guys, here's the last thing that you need to take care of, and my fifth most important thing that you need to take care of in order to make real money online, and it is explore. Keep exploring. The world is so dynamic, everything is so dynamic. I tell you, I've seen the kind of a mega shift going around the world, because I've been working here for like 3-4 years now, and I've seen the kind of change, what kind of change it has brought. Like people who used to make money through certain ways, how they've shifted the ways, because the world is dynamic, it keeps changing. Therefore you need to keep exploring. Who knows, like I'll give you an example. AI is booming, so who knows, if you just try investing yourself, investing your time and researching into AI, who knows, you'll make more money out of AI. You could have been striving, you could have been grinding harder into drop shipping or affiliate marketing, but it's not working for you. But who knows, if you just try out some other field, for example, you get into YouTubing, or you start your own social media marketing agency, who knows, that works better, right? So just keep exploring. If you want to make real money online, this is very important. Just don't limit yourself. Do not limit yourself. Just be open to every possibility of every opportunity that knocks your door, because you never know which one works for you. Do you I said you about believing in abundance, because God sends you where, he sends you situations through which you make money. When you ask him for $1 million, he doesn't credit $1 million by himself. What he'll do is he'll basically give you an opportunity which you need to work upon in order to make those possible, right? So this is my last advice. Keep exploring. Okay, do not stop. Whenever it's very important that you need to keep multiple streams of income, because that is very important. And and for that you need to explore. Don't jump into every other thing, but also just just take an informative decision and explore. And when you can, just make a shift. Just also add that up to your list of businesses. Why not? Right? All right, with all this, I'll see you in some other video with another amazing topic. Till then, if this video has helped you some way, you've gained some kind of value, then do make sure to give it a like and share it. I would love if you would do so. And also guys, do subscribe to the channel, because I've planned a lot of value. You'll derive a lot of value from this channel, as whatever I've planned, I'll just give my best to this. All I need is just your support, so please do support. And okay, with this, I don't really have too much to say. So with this, I'll see you in some other video. And till then, take care, keep being Ibrar, and I'll see you in some other video. Goodbye.